I just cleared out of the Brooklyn Museum. It was pretty awesome. But they sell this double ticket for the Botanic Garden, which is right across the street. So that's where we are now. We're in the conservatory and it smells so good in here. Oh my gosh. This is really reminding me of the Botanic Garden that I hit up in Amsterdam. If you haven't checked out that video yet, it is on my world playlist. I love these glass ceilings, oh my god. We're in the middle of a lot of concrete jungle. Then this is an actual jungle in the middle of that, so. It's the next day and I went out with friends last night. We're about to go to Manhattan. I do believe this is my train. So let's talk about the real reason that I'm in New York.
Welcome to New York, SP. It has literally everything you could want. Plus, I'm here, so literally
everything.
I'm super, super glad that you're here. This is my first day off in like a while. I took it off for the root canal, but it ended up working out so well. Because now we have a day to kill.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go eat some, we're eating some vegan pizza.
Fuck yeah.
And then we're gonna look at some art.
Yeah.
And then hopefully my face will stop being numb.
We're out here. This is Steel City. We are in Central Park.
On top of the rocks.
On top of the rock. We made it to the top of the rock. We got our cheeses from Rebel Cheese.
Another horse and cart and another horse and cart behind.
That was cute. We made it. Welcome to Jesse Tries Not to Get Thrown Out of the Metropolitan.
Part 1. Can't touch it.
Don't touch. Stop. You're a celebrity lookalike?
Was locked in the tower along with his sons and grandsons and forced to choose between starvation and New York. Has a different name.
Oh. The temple?
No, it's the priestess.
Oh.
Igor.
We should keep going. You're cute.
Hello.
You're cute.
I am.
I'm cute too.
You are.
We did not get kicked out of the Met. We did not.
For lack of trying.
So now that we did not get kicked out of the Met, we're also going to not get kicked out of the Plaza.
That one feels more difficult. We're gonna play the penis game.
No! There it is. The Plaza.
It just got a little chillier out, so put on my jacket. We are now foraging for food because we don't want to pay $28 at the Plaza Hotel for French fries. I hope you enjoyed that deep close-up of my face. This is Central Park. It's a beautiful park that you can't see because it's enshrouded in trees right now. But you'll get to hear the whole noises of the city. You can hear women yelling, you can hear cars running. It's a nice cornucopia of sounds and smells, which is really what New York is all about. But you can see the park.
With the boys. Hey, these are the boys.
We're the boys.
We're going out. Tonight, I got 2 White Claws in my pocket. Let's fucking go. What did I get? Cosmopolitan. Yeah. So we didn't know what to do today, and then we decided that we're gonna eat our way across New York. So our first stop is a vegan donut shop. Dunhill Donuts. It's so cute.
SP, what are we doing?
It's a pink donut, but it's our first stop, so we have to split it. Oh.
Look at that wrap.
So we can eat all day.
This is so good.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god, I hear you. I would have that. We just had brunch at Modern Love. I was so hungry I forgot to film it, but highly recommend. We got the honey hot chicken sandwich and tofu Benedict. It was excellent. I want to come back and order the poutine.
Hi.
Hi.
Beautiful.
That's all right.
Roof life.
Roof life?
Roof life.
Roof life.
I love New York because there's just so much that can happen at any given point. You can really just be whisked off on another adventure. Whether it's just because you live in such close proximity to people, or because people are up to such cool things, there's just so much possibility.
I'm about to go on the High Line. It is this like architectural walk here in Manhattan. I'm already seeing some of the buildings that are highlighted on this 1 mile hike. Here, I'll show you some. Another thing I'm seeing is a lot of the windows the shutters are closed because if you live on the High Line, your home is on display for all to see. Luna Luna. What is that? Tomorrow at 5:30 in the morning. I don't want to show you my pile of things, but I will. So I'm just gonna organize that and then I'll be on to the next thing. Stand by for the next chapter in this saga. Edinburgh, Scotland, who knows, really, but we're out here. Love you, bye.